Hey everybody, it's Tamika, and what's up, y'all? How y'all been? It's been so long. Tell me what you up to, what you're doing, what you're working on. Give me some updates. Drop them down in the comments below. So, if you miss any information or if I miss any information in this video audibly, it will be down in the description box. A few house rules. Payments are first come, first served. Please include your address and the number that you are ordering in your description of your payment. And I am currently accepting PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. All of that information will be down below in the description box. If you are doing PayPal, please do friends and family. And also don't forget to put your address on every thing that you see on your payment, on any of the forms of payment. So yeah, so you can get your package. All right, so here we go. Next up, we have this die and stamp set. So first we have this one here. It has a coordinating die to match that. And then all of these extra little stamps here. And then I think I know I used her and this one here for sure. Can't tell. But here is that stamp set. Also included is this die set, page die set. And if you look closely, this has even the little solid shapes to cut out. And then within those shapes are other smaller dies. So this is a fully loaded die set. And I believe this is also part of the La Dolce Vita collection. Except these two dies, I thought that they went well. Because they have like the little dots in a zigzag pattern. So I included that with this because I thought it coordinated. And then you have these are the stamps that you can cut out. And these are little tags with fractions on them, other little mathematical symbols. Here's another smaller one. All of these are dies as well as this die cut there. And then these are all words plus their offset they're offset counterparts. So a secret, archive, official, and special that says top. And then a little die here that goes with these two. And then some more there. So really like this stamp set bundle. All right, this bundle, I am selling it for $27 plus $8 shipping. This is letter, where are we? Q, as in queen. All right, next up we have this one. I did a cute little cell phone project with this. Really fun die. We have this stamp set. Have all these little sentiments on here. So this is the cell phone, 2 pieces. And then you get extra little dies around here. Some words with the corresponding offset parts that go with it. It says we are, check, I am, standby, the new luxury. And then on the back, we have a bunch of tags. It doesn't go with the collection. I just put a bunch of the tags that I got from ECD and I put them on here. So lots. This is a ticket, all these kind of layers. All of them have little holes where you can put your ribbon and stuff through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 dies on this page, plus these and a stamp set. This is letter R, $25 plus $8 shipping. Next up is this set, super fun as well. All right, this is fun stamp set. Haven't even opened it. Find your perfect somewhere. Look at this, New York, Paris, the weekend, chillaxing. So fun stamp set, you get that one. And then you get a second one as luggage, destiny, holidays, boarding, like a travel, the good life. So that's pretty cool too. And then along with that, did I write the name down? I did not. You get a full page ticket die and fold it over. Here's a pocket, other film strip. This says, I think it says, I forget what it says. Something. Room and board, maybe, I'm not sure. It's a travel type die. It has offset, airplanes, some camera, film strip, and then another little word and sentiment there. This is letter S, and it is $25 plus $8 in shipping. Next up, we have a limited edition camera kit, and I did make a mini album out of this as well. And then you get a bunch of dies here. We have the inspiration page. And for the dies, you get everything that you need to make the camera mini album. All of the pieces are here, on here. So that's really cool. And then it comes with this little back page here with some extra bits, camera extras is what it says. That's that. I've also included, because I had some dies that I thought coordinated with it. So I have the film strip, a tiny little film strip or skinny film strip, and then this arrow, it says U on it. Okay, and then put that there. Also comes with this stamp set. I thought it worked perfectly with it. It says it's a little couple taking a photo, selfie, and then it has the coordinating die, captured, pictures, winning, keepsake, memories. So I think this is a great little bundle that goes together. This is kit T, as in Tamika, and this is $25 with $8 in shipping. All right, next up we have this one. Okay, we have this stamp set complete with the die to cut that one out. Do not open, rush, stuck on you. I think this is an awesome stamp for your swaps, special handling. Good things come in small packages. Love this stamp set. I've used it two stamps out of it. So really cool and convenient, very versatile. And this is Planner Essentials 1, and it has the page die, you can make a mini album, page decoration, some tickets that you can fold over solid, and some with some sentiments, another tap, punches, ticket, and some whole reinforcers. And then, of course, there's always inspiration on the back. And this is $23 plus $8 shipping, and it is kit U. Next up is this kit. Hindsight is 2020. This stamp set would have went well with that other one, that loaded one with all those dies on it. So this is a stamp set. Super cute. Actually, there's one of the other kits have these girls in it with the die that goes with it. And there's a lady appearing again. Again, part of the La Dolce Vita collection. And these haven't been opened either. And then we have some letters and Roman numerals to go with that. And then this is the photo film slides die set. Has the page die to make your mini, little tags here, and then some tags and film strip and things down at the bottom. There's your inspiration. It's so cute. This is $23 plus $8 shipping. And this is letter V, as in Victor. This is the last one for this video. This is all things Christmas. So not necessarily just one collection, but a combination of many. Okay, first we have a pack of 5 stencils. Super cute. None of these have been used. Santa with the little powder feet. How cute. So yeah, you get the 5 stencils, and then this stamp set, December to Remember, Merry Christmas, December Day, Any Day, or December Day by Day. Oh, that's good for your calendar if you're doing a December daily. And it hasn't been used at all. And then you get all of these. I put them on here the best way that I could, right? So snowflake, these are house toppers. So you got your houses here, your Christmas trees. You can make a little scene on the card. There's a deer, says oh dear. Some what do you call these, ornaments, more snowflakes. Is actually a page snowflake die right here, so you could make a book out of it. More ornaments, bows, tags, Santa hat, little tiny ornaments that goes on the ornament toppers. Boots is a reindeer here. So whoever, if anyone buys this, just know that these are your house toppers, so don't lose them. And then on the back, we have a second page die. This has a Christmas tree that I mentioned. Oh yeah, this is a snowflake page die. This is a Christmas tree page die. Fold it over, leave it whole. And then the Christmas tree outline. Large snowflakes, Christmas wreath, some bows, leaves, presents, snowflakes, sled, ice skates, let it snow, circle dies, stars. So really full, everything. If you're a Christmas person, this is for you. And all of this is $27 plus $8 in shipping. And this is letter W. All right, that rounds out the end of this video. There, I thought I was going to be done, but I'm not. Will be one or two more. And they will be full of mostly paper and grab bags. So I will be trying to, let me move this out the way. I'm going to show you guys real quick here my stacks, literally stacks of paper that I have to sort and everything, get it all put together. Oh, that was supposed to be a kit. Forgot to do that one in the bundle, but there are tons and tons of paper that I have, and I'm trying to put them together in like a bundle that includes paper. So anyway, if you guys are interested, the information will be down below in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. The information is down there as well. Again, first come, first serve. Thank you guys who have purchased so far. You guys are amazing, and I'll talk to you guys in the next couple videos. Bye.